slide, we can do the same by using Excel formula tool to simplify the calculation. Let's take a closer look. In the next 20 years, so the same one, you will have to save every year 4,000 euros and retire. 10% interest rate it is. What is the future value of your retirement savings? So in this table, you have different inputs. In Excel, you edit in the B2, 4,000, your annuity, 10% is for the interest rate. B4, cell for the number of the years, 20. In B5, insert function, you have here the FV formula. You click on the B3, 10%, on the B4, 20 years, minus B2 because the cash outflows, you are paying your your annuities, minus B2, it's minus 4,000 every year. You don't have your present value, so it's 0, and the cash flows are at the end of the year, so 0 also. And when you click enter, you will have your future value, the same one, $229,100 or euros. Future value of the retirement saving is here to 229,100, depending on the currency you are using here.